Hey everyone, we're looking at constructions and yeah, let's jump right into it. No time to waste. Okay, so basically we're looking at G4 constructions and we're going to do all these different things. So congruent line segments, perpendicular bisectors, constructing a perpendicular line from a given line, and then a perpendicular line from a given point, and then a bisector of an angle, and then an angle congruent to a given angle, and then a perpendicular, and then a line parallel to a given line through a point not on the given line. It all sounds really complicated, but you're going to get some intuition surrounding it as we go through this. So let's go. So basically constructing a congruent line, congruent means equal. So basically all you have to do is measure one line, take your straight edge ruler and measure out that other line. They should be exactly the same, not too much to that one. Now the next thing we're going to do is constructing a perpendicular bisector. So I'll show you the video for this. I almost put a hole in my tablet trying to do this, but I'll show you. So basically you take your compass, you can see the full diagram here of what I would be doing with my compass. You take a compass and you make sure you can get over halfway across with your compass. I got over halfway here and I drew out the circle, and then you go to the other side, keeping the compass the same, the compass the tips the same distance apart, and then you should be able to draw a straight line between both intersections right along here, as you can see, and that'll be the perpendicular bisector. Let me speed this thing up. Here we go. Cleaning it up a little bit. There we are, drawing the line. So that's how you do a perpendicular bisector, and this is something that kind of what indicated on the test. We're sweeping through both sides, keeping the compass the same distance apart. Let's look at the next section. Okay, so now constructing a perpendicular line from a point not on the line. So let's go ahead and check that one out. Start the video for that. Basically what we're going to do is you're going to start right here, and you're going to start with the point that's not on the line, and you're going to sweep a full circle, making sure you touch the line in two different spots, and then we go back to what we used before and we make a bisector, a perpendicular bisector from that. So this is all about so far just establishing those two different lines, those two different points that bisect it. Now you can see what we're doing here. Boom. Easy. So that's all there really is to that one. Just understand that we use the compass to find 2 points that are a congruent distance from that point that's off the line, and then we go from those 2 points and do what we did before. Let's go to the next section here. Now we're going to construct a perpendicular line from a point on the line. Basically we're doing the same thing as last time, except we're starting out with from the point on our line instead of the point off the line. So we're gonna find our 2 points, and then we're gonna do another circle of a different radius, and we're gonna see where those cross. And it's basically the same thing as we had before, and you can see we're just going straight on through it. And yep, that's pretty straightforward. I think you get the idea. Remember, starting with that first circle. Now we're going to construct a bisector of an angle. This is a pretty good indicator right here of what we should be looking for. That's kind of an indication. You can see how they got this whole thing from what we did. We have traced up here. Basically, the first step is getting those 2 points that are equidistant from our angle, and then we're basically doing the same thing as before. Let me speed this up because it takes a long time. And then, yep, you draw it straight on out through the point, just like we have here. I hope you're getting some intuition behind what the compass is doing. It's basically used for, showing equidistance from different points, and where they all intersect tends to be, where there are intersections tends to be what we're drawing lines through. So bisecting, that means equal angle here and here. Yeah. Next thing. Okay, now we're constructing a congruent angle. So let's see what that looks like. Basically, what we're doing is we're sweeping through. We're going to sweep through on our first angle here, and then we're going to sweep through on our second angle, our second line. Yeah, this is me trying to not put a hole in my tablet. That's why it's taking so long. And then keep on going. Yep, and you want to sweep through like this, and then you sweep through like this, and that intersection point is the same as that intersection point. So we're going to draw a line from here on through. It's pretty nifty. So let's watch that unfold. We know what's going to happen. Alright, so now we got our congruent. Now we're going to construct a parallel line, and there are a lot of steps here, but it's not too bad. Basically what you're doing is you're getting a perpendicular line through a point, and then you're going to use that again to get a perpendicular to a perpendicular, and so you can see kind of the chaos that unfolds here. So you're drawing that one line to get a perpendicular line to the original, and then you're doing a perpendicular to a perpendicular, and you're going to get this other line that comes through, and that is constructing a parallel line. So anyway, that's all we got for you, I think. Good luck studying for your geometry SOL, and if you put in the effort, I think you can do just fine. Anyway, good luck studying. Thank you.